So I just had spam from a can. Spam I am. I'm not spamming, I hope. Where did somebody get that? It wasn't that bad. It just was it was bland. I heated it up. I used rice, and I put my Cajun seasoning. I guess you could use it as a rub too, but I used put that over the rice. It was pretty good. It was satisfying. It was actually pretty decent. And then I thought about what about the canned foods I buy from the Polish stores? Could I throw them on the frying pan as well? And you know what? I would actually do many things with that. Um, Something that's cheap, like what is that? I had it like a week ago. I don't know if they call it hash. I guess it is hash, corned beef hash. Well, I mean, it's basically potatoes and like some kind of beef. And yeah, it's it's like hey Chunya, hold on, girl. She doesn't like me talking about food. She likes to have it. It's just something like is overlooked, or especially spam. It gets a bad rap. Even the Polish canned foods like similar to spam because it does look similar, except the Polish ones actually have a little bit more flavor. You know, and they're I don't think they're not as cheap. It's like $3 or something for a can, or something like that. But where am I going with this? It's how you prepare it, I guess. Obviously you're gonna take the can, you just eat it out the can. It has no flavor like even when it's hot, but it's cold, so it just doesn't taste all that great. Uh, you could even season it on the frying pan. You could put you could put some kind of vegetable or even just onions. Onions, rice. How about potatoes? Chop potatoes up, throw onions in there. Uh, I don't know about red onions or yellow onions, white onions. Maybe maybe some red and maybe some peppers, and then put the spam. It does have a lot of sodium. It's 6 servings per can, and it has 640 milligrams per serving. So I had about more than half. So I calculated, it came down to like 920 milligrams of sodium. Yikes! It's fine that I'm not gonna eat it every day, right? But I didn't have anything else, so I just threw it on the frying pan like 5 7 minutes or something, and it was good. It was alright. Yeah, that's my first experience with spam. Me preparing it, not years ago, like in the '90s, early '90s, I think when I was in elementary school, and I told my mom I want to try spam because I saw it on TV. They were talking about it, and she just got aggravated and angry with me when I wanted, to like chop it up and throw it in a frying pan. First of all, I thought, well, she doesn't know how to do it, so she's getting angry and frustrated. I don't know, man. Maybe she just didn't want me to experiment and try it and have something good. You know, it's very weird. You know, all that aggression and stuff. I always remember that experience. But yeah, it's actually pretty decent. I wouldn't eat it like once a week even. And I count all that sodium and stuff. But maybe once in a while. I'm not gonna give it a specific day. Just when I have nothing else and I'm hungry, I'm not gonna go to the McDonald's. Spend like $10 $11, right? And 5 minutes right here without going for a walk, and I'm fed. So it's pretty cool.